If you've ever downloaded something in Google Chrome and then couldn't find it again, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view your downloaded files in Google Chrome, step by step. This is a super simple process, and once you know it, you can quickly check your recent downloads, search for a specific file, and even open the folder where the file is stored on your computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the More menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's settings and options. From the list that appears, select Downloads. This will take you directly to the Chrome Downloads page, where you can view all of your recent downloaded files. If you want a faster method, you can also press Ctrl J on your keyboard. That shortcut instantly opens the Downloads page without needing to use the menu. Now that the Downloads page is open, you'll see a list of files Chrome has downloaded recently. Each item usually shows the file name, the download status, and sometimes the time it was downloaded. This is the easiest place to check whether a file finished downloading successfully or whether it was interrupted. If you're looking for something specific, use the Search Downloads box at the top of the page. Just type part of the file name, and Chrome will filter the list so you can find it much faster. This is especially useful if you download a lot of files and don't want to scroll through the full list. Next, if you want to open the actual folder where a file is stored on your computer, look for the folder icon next to the file. Click that icon, and your file manager will open directly to the file's location. From there, you can do whatever you need with the file, including opening it, renaming it, moving it, copying it, or deleting it. This is really helpful because the Downloads page in Chrome doesn't just show you what you downloaded. It also gives you quick access to the file on your computer, so you can manage it without wasting time searching through folders manually. So, just to recap, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, choose Downloads, or use Ctrl J for the shortcut. Then browse your recent downloads, search for a file if needed, and click the folder icon to open its location. That's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.